Hello there, Richard Green taking a look at the latest in Australian weather. We've got a high in the Australian Bight, delivering mostly sunny and settled conditions to the southern states and a very warm easterly airflow over the interior of Australia. You'll notice a low off the east coast in the Tasman Sea. Temperature-wise, very warm this afternoon for much of the country. Coolest conditions tonight are in the southeast, especially along the Blue Mountains, and tomorrow a repeat of today temperature-wise. Taking a look at the sea surface temperatures, warmest conditions, not surprisingly, across the northern half of the country, and even quite mild elsewhere too. Let's take a look at the fires taking place in New South Wales. You can see a few popping up there in eastern areas, and that's amidst a southwest breeze today. Moving ahead now to Sydney's 5-day forecast, looking a little damp towards the end of the week, but mostly sunny conditions over the next 48 to 72 hours. Fairly cool conditions though, and we see Sydney today managing to stay in the teens, if not the upper teens, but tonight cooling off a little bit, remaining dry. During Tuesday, mostly cloudy conditions, perhaps a degree or two warmer than today. Moving on now to Melbourne, the 5-day forecast looking good initially, but then it breaks up a little bit later this week. We see today a little bit of high cloud at times, temperatures remaining in the teens as well, a bit like their northern neighbour. Tonight remaining dry but cool down to around 4 or 5 degrees. During Tuesday afternoon though, warming up nicely under sunny skies, around 24 or 25 degrees is expected. Moving to Brisbane, the 5-day forecast, not a blip on the radar, mostly sunny conditions, very consistent, and might be a little bit of cloud pushing in from time to time during Monday afternoon, but quite mild conditions in the low to mid-20s for Brisbane. Tonight, dry and mild, around 17 or 18 degrees, and during Tuesday afternoon, again, a few cloudy areas, but plenty of sunshine as well as expected. On to Adelaide now, dry conditions throughout the week actually, very, very pleasant and warming up midweek. But on to today, not quite so hot, just nudging the low 20s today for Adelaide. Plenty of sunshine about, not too much wind. Tonight, relatively cool conditions. Tomorrow, warming up a little more today, might be 7 or 8 degrees warmer than what we can expect for Monday. And finally now, moving across to Western Australia, Perth is looking hot, hot, hot today. The rest of the week a little bit cooler, but look at these temperatures today, pushing into the mid to high 30s. Might be a little bit of cloud first thing, but blue skies and sunshine into the afternoon. But some relief tomorrow, a little bit cooler, some cloud pushing in, and a southerly breeze. Temperatures managing the mid to high 20s. That's the weather.